Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, and right now I'm going to show you this awesome show house for the 4-bedroom apartment penthouse at Oak and Ivy in Loresho. Remember, this doesn't just offer a home, it offers a community and a living experience. Let's go. Come to this elegant 4-bedroom apartment, all in suite in Loresho, where family and neighborhood becomes your next community. Look at how elegant the dining area is, spacious enough for an 8-seater, that is not squeezed. And you have awesome lighting that you can put. Remember, it comes with the basic lighting. And this is your living room. If you get these exact couches, be sure I'll be coming to visit you as often as possible because they offer some comfort and they're relaxing when you are sharing stories with your loved ones. And here you can fit a big screen as you want. Look at what they have, the number of sockets. They have internet ports for your convenience. Remember, I did a YouTube video a while ago. And if you buy this specific block D, but I'll confirm on the availability. These are the views that you get. This is a community pool and a garden that is visible to all the 15 apartment blocks. And this is what you get for 89 million. If you're looking to buy a penthouse, this is what you get. Look at how spacious the balcony is. All these are fitted in the balcony. This is a table, and here you still have a couch. And these units are very, very huge, from 4,500 square feet, all for you. And I like how the developer integrated greenery and amenities as well as a community clubhouse, because here is why they say your network is your net worth. Because imagine the cheapest unit here being 70 million. You're looking at a community worth more than 10 billion. So this place, you're investing in a community rather than just a home. For those that are good at networking, you're looking at a very resourceful community. And overlooking there, you can see the townhouses. And further down, you'll see the villas. And remember, for the townhouses, the cheapest now available is 105 million, while for the villas, the cheapest currently available, it's at 120 million. And 4 months ago, I was here where the cheapest apartment available was at 71 million. And we still have that apartment available. But for the villas and the townhouses, I know you missed out, because for the villas, we had one at 108 million. And for the townhouses, we had one at 96 million. But now the cheapest townhouse is 105 million. Look at your spacious kitchen. It comes fitted. And here you can have a bar where you can grab a quick breakfast. And look at the quality of workmanship. Here is your sink. It's big enough to hold a lot of utensils. And you have a lot of sockets provided for you. On either side of the kitchen, here you can have your blender, your other electronic gadgets that you're using in the kitchen. And over here, you have your dishwasher and your microwave here. Remember, here you still have more sockets, more power switches, and a lot of storage. Look at the quality of the finishes. I like how the wood is heavy and a primary indication of quality. And here you have a smoke extractor, ensuring that your kitchen doesn't smell food all the time. You can turn it on and off. And here you have a fitted cooker that has 4 burners, and still has the electronic burners. Over here you can fit a double door fridge. Look at how big it is. Look at how this fridge looks and fits here, and you still have some more space. And further for the women, you still have a pantry that you can fit a bed. This is big enough, and I want you to note on the quality of the wood they have used in this place. It's total quality, top notch, top notch. The laundry area, to be honest, this is bigger than the first bed-sitter that I ever lived in. And it has a kitchen, my God. So this unit typically is more than what I used to live in the first place. And I think it has more storage than my current kitchen. Sorry, you need to promote me, guys, so that I can have a bigger kitchen. But anyways, I know it's bigger than your current kitchen as well. But look at the laundry area. You have a lot of pitfalls to ensure that the drainage is well covered, and you can fix your washing machine and dryer here. And again, they have emphasized in a lot of sockets and more sockets over there. And you have a lot of storage for both your clothes and anything. And this can serve as the wet kitchen. This is the servant's quarter. Sorry, this door opens to the servant quarter. And here we have used this space as the storage at the moment. But again, this space is quite huge. You can see they already have fitted a 2.5 by 6 bed, and it has a washroom. Sorry, currently this space is being used as storage. And we're back to the guest toilet. I want you to look at the guest toilet. It comes with an Arabian shower, and smart water is already running. Remember, these apartments are ready for occupation, and the rent is $4,500 for the cheapest unit, all the way to $5,500 for the penthouses. And now, welcome to the first bedroom. Oh my God. I don't want to compare this with anything in my life, because this is what I have. And look at the wardrobes. They are adequate for anyone, a kid, a parent. And the bed, you can fit a queen size, a king size bed here. And look at the awesome lighting. I'm sorry, today one of the lights is not functioning. We'll have to replace that. But I can turn on the ceiling lights just for you to see what you'll be getting yourself. And here you can fit a credenza for yourself. Look at the quality of the fixtures they have gotten for you, so that you can feel the elegance and the space you're getting yourself into. And this is your tap, while this is your washroom. And over here, you have your shower cubicle. Last time I took a shower unwillingly, so I will not be turning that on today. So this is the first bedroom. And next is a study area where you can fit just a small couch, or you can make this your library. And let us look at the remaining 2 bedrooms before we go to the master. Welcome to the second bedroom. Oh my God. Look at the space. Look at the beds. Look at the storage. Look at outside. Serenity, luxury, elegance. I think if Elon Musk was living in Kenya, he would have bought 10 or 20 of them here so that his rich friends can stay here. And look at the shower cubicle. Oh my God. And that is not the master bedroom. And over here you have this one. It's customized for your daughter. You have to do the primary fittings, and you can see how spacious the bedrooms are. You can play football. And money is good. It's a good thing because you cannot get this without around $800,000 or thereabouts. And this is your shower cubicle. Again, it's gigantic. I lack words. Look at the workmanship. Look at the ceiling lights. Look at the vanities and all. It's all quality. Remember, everything here is imported from Germany, Italy. We're talking about top quality woods, vanity spaces, and doors. The most amazing piece about this place is the master bedroom. Oh my God. Look at the view specifically for these apartments. And isn't it awesome? The room is well lit. And the room is very well lit. And these apartments, remember, they come to you from around $70 million. And please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. And remember, this is more than just a family experience. It's a community that you'll build for you and your family. Thank you. Till next time, continue subscribing, sharing with your friends, and promoting me. Thank you for your time.